Okay, we're now at Nang Ene Cave, and we're going to go a little boat trip through to the other side. Okay, we're now in the front section of Nang Ene Cave, and it's got lighting to illuminate the chambers, the stalactites. Okay, we're now at the boat area. It's a 600-metre paddle down through the tunnel to the rear of the cave. Okay, this is our guide, and he's paddling us through the cave. We've got about a 600-metre row to get to the other end. Okay, we're now at the end of the 600-metre river. We're about to land and go up onto the back side of the cave. We're now going to drink ladles of holy water. Cheers.
Cheers. We don't take the boat back to it?
Yeah. We're going down to the boat now.